Are you looking for the 10 best drones under $1,000 elite list of camera drones reviewed? In this video, we will look at some of the 10 best drones under $1,000 elite list of camera drones reviewed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2S Ultimate All-in-One Camera Drone. Introducing the Ultimate All-in-One Camera Drone, the perfect mix of top quality and reasonable price point, DJI Air 2S. The original DJI Mavic Air entered the market more than 2 years ago. It made quite a bang, considering that it offered camera quality that surpassed that of the Mavic Pro, and at a much affordable price tag, too. After the huge success of the Mavic Air 2, the world was presented with the Air 2S, an incredible model that offers tons of high-end features and upgrades while retaining a mid-range price tag. You get improved camera performance, highly advanced controls, and a set of features that are typically only found in the more sophisticated drones, all that for less than $1,000. Compared to the Mavic Air 2, the DJI Air 2S boasts better performance, improvements in obstacle sensing, and an upgraded transmission system. The biggest upgrades include the 1-inch CMOS sensor, a PAS 4.0, 4-antenna low-latency transmission, and master shots. You'd be insane to miss out on a deal like this, because, at this price point, you won't find a better drone, considering what's under the hood. The Air 2S is easily the most thrilling drone release of 2023. Specifications. It's hard to ignore the increase in takeoff weight. Compared to its predecessor, the Air 2S is more substantial, clocking in at 570 grams. With an Air 2S in one hand and the Mini in the other, the latter almost feels like a toy. And sure, it packed on a few extra ounces, but this didn't slow the Air 2S down in any way. You're still looking at up to 42.5 miles per hour in wind-free conditions, and with a 12-kilometer control range, too. Even more so, thanks to the improved battery and redesigned electronic components, its advertised flight time is up to 31 minutes. Don't forget to register your drone with the FAA before that initial takeoff, though. Camera. If you're into aerial photography, you're going to love the fact that the Air 2S now has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, with the ability to record 5.4 Kelvin divided by 30 FPS videos and capture 20 MP photos. The new 1-inch CMOS sensor carries significant advantages over the half-inch CMOS. It features 2.4-sized pixels, an exceptional dynamic range and exposure sensitivity. This allows it to capture up to 12.6 stops in RAW and shoot at 5.4 Kelvin resolution. And if that's not impressive enough, it also packs the new Master Shots feature, thanks to which Air 2S automatically selects templates and executes a cinematic sequence of shots. The DJI Air 2S is an improvement over the original in pretty much every way imaginable. Features. Here are some new and improved features and innovations that it brings to the table. The PAS 4, Zero Obstacle Avoidance, 4 Directional Environmental Sensing, O3 Transmission System with 5.4 Kelvin video transmission of up to 12 kilometers, dual frequency 2.4 divided by 5.8 GHz communication, Master Shots technology, 1-inch CMOS sensor, focus track intelligent tracking modes, GPS plus GLONASS satellite systems. We barely scratched the surface, and the Air 2S is already blowing the competition out of the water. And to think that you're getting all this and more for less than $1,000. How could you not want to get the Air 2S? Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini 2 Best 4 Kelvin Beginner Drone. This drone comes with a range of impressive specs. From a long flight time and useful in-flight functions to solid camera capability, the manufacturer has done a wonderful job of balancing portability, price, image quality, and convenience. Although it will cost you almost 4 times more than the DJI Tello above, you get so much more value and better flying performance that will overwhelm any beginner's expectation. Camera. If you consider the camera to be the most important feature on a drone, then the Mavic Mini 2 won't let you down. The drone's camera uses a solid camera that can shoot 4 Kelvin videos at 30 frames per second. You do, however, have the option to slow things down to 1080p at 60 frames per second, together with 12 MP stills that the camera takes. The overall resolution is ideal for capturing social media content. There is a 1 divided by 2.3 inches CMOS sensor that adds to the resolution of the footage. A 3-axis gimbal stabilizer ensures that your videos remain rock solid and photos sharp even when the drone is battling against a stiff breeze, providing you with all the tools you need to take the perfect shot. Performance. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 carries a range of exciting features. It is compact and foldable so that you can carry it anywhere you want. Its lightweight design also means that you are exempted from registering with the FAA. Despite its small size and lightweight, The Mavic Mini 2 flies just as impressively as its larger brothers in the DJI family, thanks to a GPS module and downward vision sensors that allow a precise hover both indoors and outdoors. It has great stability at an altitude of around 4,000 meters in level 5 winds. The battery life is one of the best in the industry. You'll have 31 minutes of flight time to get all the footage you need. The controller has a stunning range of 10 km and can transmit high-quality HD videos, depending on your skills level. The Mavic Mini 2 offers different types of flight modes, which allow you to fly the drone at different speeds. These can be accessed via the DJI Fly app, which guarantees a simpler flying experience for beginners. The drone is delivered with propeller guards to improve flight safety, and even though it doesn't have the obstacle avoidance feature, there are a couple of sensors at the base that enable a safe landing. Quick shots, used on the more expensive Mavic Air, have also been incorporated into the Mini 2 to make for an excellent performance. These are pre-programmed flight paths that can be engaged with the simple click of a button. The controller fits snugly into your palms and features simple controls that make the experience even simpler for learners. It also has phone mounts where you can attach your smartphone for a glorious FPV experience. Number 3. Parrot-Drone Anafi Extended. If you are looking for a drone at a budget-friendly price that also comes with additional equipment, then you should take a second look at the Parrot-Drone Anafi Extended package. This particular package includes a drone with a camera, additional batteries, a bag for the drone, and propeller blades. All this for an incredible $499.99, a great deal. If you're not looking for the full package, though, there are other options: Anafi base, FPV, thermal, and work. But let's focus on the extended package for now. Specifications. As for the specifications of this drone, here's a couple of facts that drone flying enthusiasts might find helpful before purchasing this model. This model is a foldable Yuneec model that can travel with you anywhere. It's multi-purpose, but it has proven to be the most rewarding for those trying to make excellent cinematic video footage. Its lightweight makes it easily portable. It comes with a remote, and the color it's sold in is black or gray. The materials it's made from are plastic and polycarbonate. Altogether, the drone weighs just over 1 pound. Once it's out of the bag and ready to fly, it will take 5 seconds for this drone to unfold. With its power delivery battery, drone enthusiasts can enjoy a 25-minute long flight. Plus, the one controlling the drone can charge the batteries remotely using the USB port. Camera. The most impressive feature of this Anafi drone is its camera. That's one of a kind on the market right now. What's so impressive about it is that it's a crystal clear 4 Kelvin HDR camera with a 108-IDIG swivel gondola. This enables the user to make smooth videos from almost every possible angle. The new Sony sensor helps you capture the smallest detail, and its lens allows optimized exposure control over your videos and photos. The camera on this drone can capture 21MP images in both JPEG and RAW, and it has a recording rate of 100 Mbps. Features. The Anafi Extended package is not lacking other amazing features, so here's a couple. Lossless zoom, 4 cineshots, 4 km control range, HDR imaging, automatic home return, intelligent flight mode. As you can see, the focus here is making epic pieces of cinematography. Number 4. Yuneec Q500 4 Kelvin Typhoon, great camera quality. The Yuneec Q500 is a favorite among drone enthusiasts that began flying drones due to its 4 Kelvin videography and photography purposes. Yuneec Q500 ensures power, camera quality, live video, and everything for one of the cheapest prices of our top 10 best drone under $1,000 list. At his price point, it's hard to find a better aerial photography drone. Yuneec Q500 is not fast, it's not acrobatic, it's a very stable quadcopter that perfectly fits any aerial photography and videography fan. It's very wind resistant, stable even during medium wind conditions. It performs exactly as necessary for a camera drone. Specifications. Unfortunately, Yuneec Q500's factory control range is a bit disappointing, only going as far as 400 meters. However, there's something called Carolina Drone Range Extender that can extend the max range to a detailed 3,000 meters. So compared to other drones on this list, max control range sure isn't Q500's highlight. The flight time, however, is a good 23 minutes. Camera. Everything about Yuneec Q500 was designed to enhance the aerial photography and videography experience. It is a drone that ensures amazing image quality and ease of use, perfect for film school students, semi-professional use, and much more. Comes equipped with a 12MP CG03 camera capable of 4 Kelvin divided by 30 FPS ultra-high definition video, and 1080p divided by 120 FPS slow motion video. It also transmits live video. The integrated 3-axis stabilized gimbal eliminates any vibrations. The lens is 1150 wide-angle distortion-free. If you are reading our article looking for the cheapest and most reliable camera drone under $1,000, you just found it. Features. As we already mentioned, everything about this quad was made focused on camera usage, features included. For example, follow me mode, watch me mode, return to home, automatic landing, and geofence. Plus, the remote controller has a touch screen with Android. Number 5. PowerEdX Explorer. It's 2023, and we're all used to YouTubers and vloggers putting out new content every few days. So, if you belong to this branch of business and social media is your workplace, then the PowerEdX Explorer drone might just do the trick. This is a multi-purpose drone, and it's priced accordingly $899. The price tag on this one is a bit higher than with some other options you've considered, but it certainly justifies the quality, features, and specifications this model offers. Specifications. The EdX Explorer needs no introduction, appearance-wise, and although that's what makes customers point to this model, it's far from its real quality measures. This is a high-performance drone that is ideal for taking HQ photos and vlogging. It has portable wings and propeller arms that make it portable. It can be remotely controlled or attached to a tripod, whatever suits your preferences. The Explorer drone we're talking about falls under the basic package. However, if you're an adventurer or your content requires some exotic destinations, you can opt for the waterproof option. The weight of this drone once it unfolds is 450 grams, and it comes with additional batteries. Camera. Because the emphasis here is videography and camera resolution, we should go ahead and say what kind of quality you can expect in terms of your snaps and shots. The drone's camera is capable of recording at 4 Kelvin UHD. You can count on high-resolution photos and videos. The waterproof model is also high quality, and it's equipped with a wireless microphone that synchronizes audio well. Features. Here are a couple of other noteworthy features regarding this model. 3-axis L camera, subject lock-on feature, remote controller, 1 spare pair of propellers, 33 minutes in flight.